Hey, miss. So I see. So you mean we are biologically programmed to crash, eh?
Sharp. I love this woman, Dad. That witch! Giselle!
Let me buy breakfast so we can get to know each other.
I'd like toast, scrambled eggs, bacon, baked beans, sausages, and a bowl of neatly washed and steamed vegetables. Or the milk, you know?
You are like, you know, Bobo.
Why, Ogini?
Come on for you. The mark of an intellectual is all about reading different books and being open-minded.
So where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
You're quite presumptuous.
We had an agreement that we're just gonna be friends. There's nothing between the two, both of us.
Ah!
No problem. Today I will kill him.
House of Umoja.